What's up, guys? FS Coach Your Mental, and we burger girl. Yes, sir. Hope you guys are all good. I've got some amazing news for you guys. In this video, I'm gonna help you guys learn how to analyze gold and how to trade gold profitably, how to trade NASDAQ, and overall how to approach the market with the sentimental approach. As you guys know, we are retail traders. We carry about 5 to 10% of the market, and the institutional traders, of which that is the big banks, they carry 90 to 95% of the market. So in order for you guys to be profitable on a long-term basis and to be profitable overall, you need to align your strategy together with the big banks approach. But you're going to learn all of that in this video. So make sure you like and subscribe and make sure you watch the video up until the end. As you guys see on my screen over here, this was my previous analysis for gold, and as you can see, the market was respecting my setups. There was a few wins, and I also got a false break over here that gave me a loss, and I was also able to catch this nice beautiful bullish trade over here, and obviously that was also helped by the institutional strategy that we have that you're gonna learn as well in this video. As you can see, that gave us a nice opportunity to actually enter the buy. And overall, guys, this is what you're going to be learning in this video. So guys, in order for us to dive in deeper into today's lesson, I'm going to remove everything on the screen and start again from scratch, analyzing the market for you guys. As you guys know, this is NFP week, so this is a perfect time for us to start preparing for the market and to always know to trade responsibly during NFP week. Now let's start with the actual video. I'm going to go ahead and remove all drawings. As you guys know, whenever we analyze, we always use a top-down analysis, meaning that we always start from a higher time frame, then we dive in deeper towards the smaller time frame. And the reason for that is we need to see what the market is doing on the overall perspective. And once we dive in deeper, that is where we're going to be looking for our entries. So on the overall market, guys, you can see previously the market was stuck inside a consolidation structure for a couple of years since 2020 up until 2024. The market was stuck inside this consolidation, and a breakout side led us into a strong bullish momentum. Now looking at what is happening at the current market price, we can see already, guys, on the current market we have actually hit a new highest high. So what we like to do is, usually when we analyze, we like to put some levels as well in the past. It's always important to also try to backtest, look how profitable strategy is from the past. But in order for the sake of this video, I'm going to be looking a lot at the current market and what is the next possible movement and the best entry opportunity that I can give you guys so that you can capitalize on this trading market. So guys, this is what we have currently, and usually when we analyze, we also like to use line charts. We're able to see the levels whereby the market respects a lot, and we also cancel out the wicks or the stop loss hands that may be coming from the market to also sometimes have a clearer perspective. So you can see already this is how the market has been playing along, and this is our current highest point. So now bringing it back towards our candlesticks, you can see already what is happening here. Then from here, guys, I can see already from a daily time frame that we're in a strong bullish momentum. So let's dive in deeper towards our 4-hour time frame and see what we can find. But already what we're seeing in the daily chart is that we are in a overall bullish trend. You can see previously, guys, the market was also in this previous consolidation over here. We can see that that is the previous consolidation, and we also have what we call a bullish trend. We also have a bullish trend over here, guys. You can see the market is currently in a bullish trend, and over here I'm putting levels whereby the market is respecting a lot. You can see these are the levels that the market has been respecting, and these are our consolidation areas. So now looking at what is happening on the 4-hour time frame, guys, these are the levels that we have. Obviously, whenever you dive in deeper, you can put your levels wherever you see fit, and we can really see the respective levels from the market. And this is where the market is reversing, so that we know that once the market comes to those levels, we can expect either reversals or continuations, because it's important for you guys to always look at what the market does. Whenever the market is trapped inside a consolidation, the break outside that consolidation will lead to the overall direction. And as you guys can see on this trade over here, the market was consolidated and was able to take an entry towards the upside with the break of a continuation all the way towards the upside. So it's important for you to know when a consolidation happens so that you can capitalize on the breakout of that overall consolidation market. So this is all we have, guys, on a 4-hour time frame. We can see that the market has been giving us impulse move correction, and it gave us another possibility of a high over here, of which gives us two opportunities. We can either expect the market to break below the structure to go towards the downside and test this level over here, or we can expect gold to break above and continue with the momentum. But from now, let's take it towards the 1-hour time frame and see what the market has in store for us. Once we come towards our 1-hour time frame, guys, you can see the levels that the market has been respecting. You can see this is another level that we have over here, and we're able to identify a level of consolidation. You can see over here the market could consolidate for some time depending on how NFP plays out, meaning that those of you guys who want to scalp trades, you can look for your bullish momentum at this level over here. Let's say you are somebody who wants to scalp a trade, you can enter or buy, capitalize, or at this level here you can enter a sell and capitalize the sell towards the downside, and possibly after another reversal strategy you can look for a buy opportunity, but that is obviously scalping. So those of you guys who are looking for long-term positions whereby you'll be able to hold a buy for a consecutive amount of time, you need to have patience. Remember, guys, the market takes money from the impatient to the patient. That is also part of your psychology, so it's important for you guys to know how to approach trading with the better psychology. So in order for you guys to look for better entries for gold at this current market, you need to wait for the market to actually break below the structure, give us a possible retest, then we'll look for a possible sell all the way towards the downside over here. This will give us a more better opportunity if we're looking for sells, and if you're looking for buys, you need to see the market breaking above the structure, giving us a retest either at this level, will be able to give us the opportunity to look for a continuation of buys. So at this area here, it will be more of a safer place for you if you're looking for long-term buys for gold, and if you're looking for long-term sells, it will also be safe for you guys to look for long-term sells after they break below the structure over here, whereby we are out of the consolidation area. Also remember, guys, you can also trade the consolidation. And those of you guys who are looking for long-term swings, you will need to wait for the market to actually break outside the overall bullish market if you're looking for a sell towards the downside, and that will obviously be a more bigger trade whereby you'll be able to capitalize a lot more pips for those looking for overall sells for gold at this current market price. So guys, that is what we have currently. What I can see already from my analysis, guys, is that there's a lot of buyers sitting here as well. So in order for us to look for the sells, we need to enter sells where the buyers are invalidated. So basically, whenever we enter sells, we need to make sure that all the buyers are taken out and we can go for an overall sell towards the downside. Another thing that I need to check as well is the FS Gold institutional strategy. And as you guys can see, obviously over here, this is where most of the support is sitting, where most of the buyers are sitting. So if we were to break this structure, it will give us a sell towards the downside, and a stronger buy will be above our supply zone or where our sellers are sitting. So as long as we're able to break above the sellers, it will give us a stronger momentum in order for us to look for a continuation of bullish momentum. So that's all we have currently, guys, and we can also dive in deeper towards the 30 minutes time frame to show you guys what has happened as well. I'm going to go ahead and remove the strategy for now. So let's see what happened as well. To look at what happened on gold, you can see gold had a counter trend. You can see gold also had a counter trend over here, whereby we were in a small bullish trend and the market was able to break outside that trend. So breaking outside that trend over here, this is the level whereby the market used to respect a lot. So breaking below that structure gave us a nice sell all the way towards the downside, of which it's a possibility whereby the market can also continue pushing all the way towards the sell over here, because we have broken outside that particular level. But it's also important for you guys to know that if you are already in a sell, you need to look at reducing some of your trades, because there's a possibility whereby the market also reverse at this level over here. So guys, last thing that you need to look at, the positions that the majority of people have on this market. So if I come over here, I can see that the majority of people are actually looking for short, of which means that a lot of people are looking for sells within the market, and the minority is looking for bullish momentum. So this can give us a hint as to know that the market could respect the minority as it usually does, and it could end up pushing all the way towards the upside and continue with the bullish momentum. So with that being said, there is a possibility for gold to either reverse at this level over here or continue and reverse to give us that overall push towards the upside. And I know a lot of people are looking for sales, but I'm giving you guys the other possibilities so that you know that there are also other possibilities in the market. We have probabilities and we also have possibilities. So guys, before we continue further with the video, it's important for you guys to know that there are three things that are needed in order for you to become a profitable trader. Number one, we need a profitable strategy, and that is why we're teaching you guys in this video here. Strategy also includes your psychology, how to approach the market, how to have a psychology of a winning trader. Secondly, you need capital. You need to be able to have money in order for you guys to be able to take trades. That is how you're going to be able to be profitable on a long-term basis. And last but not least, guys, you also need a reliable trading platform. You need to make sure whatever platform you're using, whichever money that you're able to generate, they are able to pay you guys that money. And with that reason, we recommend trading with XNS, guys. XNS is one of the best brokers that we have, and we never have troubles whenever we have to place withdrawals. We're already able to make withdrawals around 15,000 USD just the previous month. Obviously, guys, we've been trading small accounts, big accounts, and these are some of the accounts that we have. So in order for you guys to be able to have a reliable platform, I do recommend XNS. And it's not about your account size, it's always about the skill. You just need to know how to trade. And lastly, guys, those of you guys who don't have any capital to trade, make sure you check out Express Funded, and this is the best platform for you guys to get funded. Whatever withdrawal you make, you'll be able to get paid. And this is one of the best trading funding programs that we have, and that is Express Funded. And just like that, guys, let's continue with the video. Next up, guys, we have NASDAQ. With NASDAQ, as you guys know the drill, I'm going to move all drawings, and I'm also going to start analyzing the market all the way from the higher time frame. So looking at NASDAQ from a higher time frame, you can see that we're in a very strong bullish trend. It is giving us a bullish momentum over here. And if I want to analyze this, what I need to do is I need to highlight my bullish trend, and this is what I'm seeing at this current moment over here. I can see that the market is in a very strong bullish trend. When I check the market in the daily analysis, you can see that NASDAQ is in a strong bullish momentum, and it is also looking to have a possible reversal, right? I also want to highlight my highs and my lows. You can see over here, these are the levels whereby the market was reversing a lot. And for levels where you cannot put a single line, you can also put zones, right? Like I told you before, guys, whenever you can put a line, you can also put a chart zone to cater for the market. So for NASDAQ, guys, for the sake of time, I'll be looking at what is happening at the current market price. You can see once the market tested this level over here, we had a push towards the upside. The market came back to give us a test at our uptrending support structure for the bullish trend, went back up, tested another level of the bullish trend, and it went back up again. And you can also see that there is some sort of reversals happening here for NASDAQ as well. And we don't want to forget that at this level, there's also a possible reversal that can come over here. So already, guys, from the daily time frame, this is what I'm seeing. I'm seeing a few opportunities whereby the market will continue selling all the way towards the downside over here, or the market will continue buying all the way towards the upside, continuing with the bullish momentum. So I want to dive in deeper again and look at what is happening in a 4-hour time frame. And in a 4-hour time frame, this is what we are seeing at the current market price. Already over here, this is the previous resistance and support structures that we have. Once we analyze, we can see previously the market was struggling to cross above this structure, making it a strong resistance, and when we were able to break above our resistance, it became a uniform support, of which that is how we know it's a verified significant level. So we also have another significant level that happened over here, and obviously not forgetting this other level that we have at this particular moment. So what is happening with NASDAQ at the current market price? Previously, we can see that the sell came from a break from this bullish momentum. The market was in this bullish trend. We broke outside, had a bit of a retest over here, and after this retest, the break below the structure was a confirmation to go for your short. And from there, then the market came inside this bearish momentum, and then now we have another bullish trade. So inside this bullish trend, I want to make sure that my analysis is completely unbiased. I want to see exactly what the market is doing, and not what I want it to do. So there is a possibility whereby the market is still inside a bullish trend. So we need to highlight these levels over here, whereby we know where we can look for sales and where we can look for our buying opportunities. So guys, if we're able to break below this structure over here, this will give us a selling opportunity if we're looking for a long-term sales for NASDAQ within the 4-hour time frame. And if we're able to break above the structure, we'll then look for a continuation of buys all the way towards the upside and continuing with the bullish momentum that we have going on over here. So those of you guys who are looking for sales, this is what I'm seeing already within the 4-hour time frame. Then from here on, I'm diving deeper again, take it towards the 1-hour time frame to see exactly what is the market doing and what is the market telling us, right? Just making small adjustments as well, just making small adjustments within the market so you can see exactly what the market is doing. So now looking at the current market price, we have a counter trend, bearish trend over here. This is a counter trend, bearish trend towards the downside, and these are our entry opportunities, guys. I obviously look for possible bullish momentum. You have a possibility of entering your first buy over here if you're looking for buys for NASDAQ. Obviously, guys, this is a safer trade. You can also scalp your trades, enter where the market is. But those of you guys who want to look for safer opportunities, you will need to wait for the market to confirm your setup, right? Those are the entry opportunities that I see for NASDAQ, and a break below the structure here is giving me a sell opportunity for NASDAQ at this particular price here, right? This is where I'm seeing my buys, and this is where I'm seeing my possible sell entries for NASDAQ. But it's in a consolidation structure. We really see the market break outside this consolidation. Those who can scalp, but the consolidation structures, we need to trade outside them in order for us to be able to capitalize on our particular positions. And last but not least, we can also look at where the levels are sitting. You can see this is where most of the resistance are sitting over here, and there is a lot of buyers sitting over here. So you can take yourself at this level, or you can also wait below this structure as well if you're looking for a stronger sell towards the downside. But overall, being able to defeat these buyers that are sitting here, guys, will give you a stronger sell towards the downside, and it's a possibility whereby the market could sell all the way from here, or you could either wait for the market to break below this structure. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, guys, and don't forget to join our free Telegram group where we give you guys signals and give you guys our free trading ideas. Click the link in the description and become part of the family. And just like that, guys, if it's got your mentor, signing out.